Know more about your world.
ENCA.com.
Only a day after a presidential spokesman said the Nigerian army is winning the war against the Islamist militant group Boko Haram, the sect launched yet another massive attack. The attack in the northern Nigerian town of Bama lasted 5 hours on Wednesday morning and left 47 people dead. A state of emergency was declared in the northern region of Borno and 2 neighboring states, Yobe and Adamawa, last year, and thousands of troops were sent to the region to tackle the insurgency. But so far, more than 245 people have been killed this year alone, and over 3,000 have lost their lives since the uprising began in 2009. Now, Governor Kashim Shettima of Borno State describes the situation there as a state of war. And there is a new threat to the south now. In a new video released on Wednesday, Boko Haram leader Abubakar Shekau threatened attacks on Nigeria's lucrative oil region. Nigeria is Africa's largest oil producer and derives more than 90% of its foreign exchange earnings from oil. Shekau also threatened to kill other Muslim and political figures in the country, including the respected Shehu of Borno, a prominent Muslim leader, and the Emir of Kano, Ado Bayero, who himself was attacked by suspected Islamists last year. Now, despite the insistence by the Nigerian authorities that they are winning the war against terror, it appears Boko Haram remains a major source of concern. Aduri Achumba, Lagos.